Welcome to day 7 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on overhead dumbbell triceps extensions, a key move to tone the back of your arms. Grab a single dumbbell, holding it vertically with both palms under the top plate for control. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and keep your spine neutral. Raise the dumbbell overhead, arms fully extended, and tuck your elbows close to your ears. Slowly bend your elbows to lower the dumbbell behind your head, only as far as your shoulder mobility allows. Remember, your upper arms stay stationary. The motion comes from your forearms. Avoid arching your lower back. Engage your core to protect your spine. Keep your wrists straight and maintain a firm grip to stabilize the weight. Press the dumbbell back up with control, fully extending your arms to activate those triceps. Watch out for common mistakes: flaring elbows, rushing, using momentum, or holding your breath. Repeat slowly for the best results. Start with 2-3 sets of 10 to 12 reps using light weight. Focus on form over load, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in day 8.